Okay, now I'm back to my student account. All 5 videos are made, and I'm making an introductory video that I want you to watch because I'm going to explain. Yes, you're going to learn how to make a pattern in these 5 videos, but you're also going to learn how to think and work in Gravit. Okay, so it's really important. The first video you watch because I'm going to explain things. I'm going to show you the end in the first 2 videos. And I'm going to explain things that will help you succeed in the following 3 videos. I've done this for a while, so trust me on this. Work with me. Part 3 is in 4 and 5. You're working along with these. Don't just watch the video and then try to do it on your own, unless you have a complete photographic memory. Watch the video until I do something, stop the video, switch over to another tab to open up Gravit and work along with me. Does that make sense? Oh, and I'll add a link here to get to Gravit because that's not included, even though you should know how to do that. But for right now, when you begin part 3, work along with it. If yours looks different than mine, significantly different, you know why? What did you do wrong? This will work. There are no tricks up my sleeve. There's no hidden things that I do. You work along with this, you will end up with a pattern. A 1920 by 1080 JPEG of a seamless pattern. I modify mine at the end to make it look a little bit better. I want you to take care as well to make yours look as good as possible. All right? So, yeah, and I want you to describe the process. What did you learn? It's pretty simple. It's going to take some time, and I loaded the bonus loot with most of the rewards. This looks like there's not much here. There's a lot more that's waiting at the end of this. But anybody who cuts corners, I'll reset your quest and you'll lose that bonus loot. So just spend some time, learn how to use this, and you'll have a head start on the rest of the semester.